National Eligibility Entrance Test NEET, formerly the All India Medical Test AIPMT, is an entrance examination in India for students who wish to study undergraduate and postgraduate medical courses, MBBS, MD, MS and dental courses BDS, MDS in government or private medical colleges and dental colleges in India. The undergraduate NEET-UG for MBBS and BDS courses is currently conducted by the National Testing Agency (NTAR), which provides the results to the Directorate General of Health Services at the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare prior to 2019. The test was administered by the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) in partnership with Prometric Testing Pvt Ltd, headquartered in the USA. 3 NEET-UG replaced the All India Medical Test AIPMT and all individual MBBS exams conducted by states or colleges themselves. In 2013, however, many colleges and institutes had taken a stay order and conducted private examinations for admission to their MBBS and BDS courses. Last NEET-UG was held on 6 May 2018 and results were declared on 4 June of the same year.